Mapo po kayo, salamat. Just came from an overtime meeting with the Minister of Commerce of China, and he brought with him a windfall, actually, and he was talking about the springtime relations between our two countries. And I responded by saying it was a long, hard winter for all. And so I told him that I made the correct decision to follow just a independent, neutral policy and pursue where our destiny would lie. I also told him that, we are in Asia, far from the madding crowd of Europe. It's too far away. The Western powers should be worrying about us. Sabi ko, ang swerte natin nandito sa Asia, and since China is the leading industrial power, we'd have to ally with them in trade and commerce, and eventually improve on the bilateral relations and come up with a vibrant economy. I'm very positive about meron akong prepared speech. Kung gusto ninyo, in about 1.5 minutes, tapos just the thank you, but Ma'am Cynthia would not like that. He would want me to inform you really of what's in my mind. He just brought in, pila ka na ito? $1 billion algae products. They're coming next month and have scheduled something like 10 billion for the present, $10 billion, all in all, hopefully coming our way. It had to take the Minister of Commerce of China to tell us frankly that they are the ones in a hurry. And if you are ready with your plans and documents, we'll be glad to come to you the next day. So it behooves upon the technocrats, the bright boys of this government, to just also keep up with the challenges of the times and respond it with in a jiffy. Kasi yung tao, may dadala ng pera, mayroon pa silang mga proposals. And it would make Secretary Piñol happy that our export products to date has doubled. Talaga nagdudoble lahat on all fronts. Pineapple, and they're buying even the avocados. Kaya if you have a few hectares, tanimanan ninyo yan because, avocado has long been to be a very nutritious, yan ang bagong craze ngayon, avocado. Alam mo, I was rattled with so many figures. Kalimutan ko na tuloy kayo kasi sabi ko we have to, basahin ko na lang to. Ang puro dito, yuan pati dollars. I am not into multitasking anymore. Narinig ko na lang yung dollars. Ayaw nang umalis. I might, just, baka sabihin na, baka early science na ito . But for the prepared speech, it said that just also to give justice to the guy who spent in a rapidly evolving environment full of technological advancements, we should not forget to nurture the agricultural sector. It is, after all, considered as the backbone of economy. It forms the basis for food and nutrition security and provides the raw materials for industrialization. Yun na yung, pati yung pinya mo. These are important factors that allow progress to take place in a society. Let me express my heartfelt congratulations to the winners of the Malinis at Masaganang Karagatan Awards. Your efforts to safeguard marine sanctuaries, keep coastal garbage free, and rehabilitate mangrove areas with a significant impact in the pursuit towards sustainable fisheries development. Let me cut dito. Mag-adlib ako. You just cannot ignore also the cries of Jenna Lopez. I know that we get something like 70 billion in taxes sa mining. But you should also allow Gina to present her case. And I would like to ask Congress to, their UPSA commission appointments, tignan nilang mabuti. And she would show you how devastated the environment is. Ako, because I traveled in Mindanao, and even during the campaign, so I was really, really flying low. And yung mga eroplano na kagang-kagang, but hindi na makaakyat eh. Hanggang dyan na lang, 3 tops. But if you pass by Mindanao sa arterial highways, makikita mo rin yung devastations ng yung parang tansan. Parang tansa na yung binaliktad, tapos nilagay doon sa taas ng bukid. Marami kasi masyado. It's not because of the big mining guys. It includes every Tom, Dick, and Harry there who wants to get rich. At kung may financer, they'll go and just dig everywhere. Just what happened in Diwalwal. Now, if you get some gold, maybe minerals from a certain area there, eventually, kung marami, in small amounts, because gold is going up from the bowels of the earth. So, magkakaroon tayo ng crisis talaga. We have to, I think, come up with a code or a set of whatever protocol of how to go about controlling mining. It's not because we do not want people to earn. Sabi nga nila sa mga, let me address myself to, yung sa Pilipino lang, wag na yung mga foreign corporations, walang pakialam yan kung saan tayo pupunta. Just the average Filipino. If you'd listen to Gina present her case, this is not a brief for her, but you have to concede something also to the girl. Talagang nagtatrabaho, and she has pointed out the so many factors that would eventually affect the environment of Mindanao. We cannot be allowing diggings forever in every nook and corner of the mountain ranges. It would spell disaster. Wala akong ano sa mining. Maybe if you follow the Australian or the Canadian protocols, how to extract. Open pit kasi lahat eh. And so there's so many water basins there. And it gets into the soil. And that is why kung every just intensity 1 or 2, because the soil is really loosened under the rocks, the water eats into it, erodes into insides. Talagang mag-landslide. Ang landslide, pati ang baha. Now, I want my country to earn. So I'm not saying that I am against mining per se, that I'm against big mining. Far from that, actually. I know that we need the dollars. But somehow we have to look at the other way in a different perspective. But tignan ninyo. She has a good case, Gina. And hopefully we can strike a happy compromise there. But more, I think, on the side of protecting the public interest. That is how I look at it. Kaya ako hindi ako nakialam. Never, never. Maraming tumatawag sa akin, mga classmate ko, they wanted me to call Gina. Cannot do that. For the life of me, I have never called any cabinet member for any reason at all. I confront them in the cabinet meetings, but not yung tawag-tawag. I do not even know the number of. Ang alam ko lang na number, nawala naman yung iyo, na-delete na. Dinilit mo ako sa buhay mo, gaga. Well, you are a distraction. Biro lang yan. Kaya nga sabi ko, I'm not into zinc because I've been listening to the numbers rattled off by the Minister of Commerce, and it makes me happy. And if sabi ko magdating yan, we're all right, I would say, for the next few years. All we have to do is just to, dialogue with them and follow their whatever their anong gusto nila. But let me just also tell you that, frankly, I have told the Chinese point blank that there will be a time, nandiyan si Sir Ben. Ben, dito, sabi ng, sa lahat ng cabinet member, nagsishare ako kay Sir Ben. I address him, Sir Ben, because I was around when so many past administration, ng budget, luhud-luhud ka doon. So I get to say, Sir, nasanay na ako. Now that he works for me, ako ang nisisir sa kanya. Ganon talaga ang buhay. Tama talaga si Tama si Terap. Weather lang. Talaga totoo.